Hi everybody, and this what you call a snowstorm right there, like this. You see, this what you call a snowstorm. Can't see nothing, bros. You can't.
Don't you
Can't
ever
see
come to my
nothing.
house. Don't you ever come to my house, Licky.
Look, we live in Jordan, Connecticut, and look it, a snowstorm right here in our place.
I can't believe this.
A snowstorm.
There's lots of snow coming down everywhere.
Everywhere, even from
That is
the
why we
roof.
didn't went to school today. Because it's a snowstorm. We can't go to school no more.
Yep.
No more school. We rule.
Yeah.
Snow rules. Snow for president. Snow for president. We're sending snow for president. Wait,
There's a snowstorm. You see how the street is?
Say what's
It's
up.
bad. It's
You gotta say
deep.
sup. Ah, your brother,
It's
your hair.
damn bad. The snowstorm, people. Today, this is a pretty bad snowstorm, people.
Today,
Pretty
everyone,
bad.
stay inside.
Stay inside, people. Stay inside. Goodbye, Goodbye, and don't forget about subscribing to Luis Luna Cabrera.